Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're finally doing a cosmetic upgrade that I've been wanting to do on my truck since I got it 5 years ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm talking about, and that is the front grille. We're finally getting rid of that chrome front grille. If you can tell by my truck, I absolutely am not a big fan of chrome. The grille and the bumper are what I have right now. If you've been following me since the beginning, you know I originally had an off-road bumper, but I got rid of that. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. We're gonna show you how to do that. It's a very simple process for those of you that don't know how to do it, because you know there was a point in my life that I had no clue how to do it. So we're gonna make sure we can show you exactly how to do that in case you want to change yours out. I got myself a paint matched one. I got it locally painted by a body shop nearby, and I'll explain to you exactly how I got that painted. Let's go ahead, take this one off and get the new one on. So it's extremely simple. All you have to do is take these out. I'm missing one here, there, and there. And then I have screws here. Some people end up having actual plastic like push things there, but I, for some reason, have screws and I actually really like it. So if you don't have one of these, make sure you go ahead and get one because they're an absolute lifesaver. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for some random one on Amazon for you guys. It really doesn't matter what you get. Go to Harbor Freight. I think this one is from Fleet Farm or something like that. So 2 tools to take this off. All right, so once you take that cover off, you're gonna have basically 6 points of contact. You're gonna have a clip here, you're gonna have a clip here, clip down here, clip down here. And then inside there, you have one down there, and one down there. Extremely simple, pop those out, and it comes right off. Go ahead and show you the difference of my old one to what I got now. Again, it's as simple as it gets. You've got a clip here, you've got 2 clips on the top, another clip on the side here, then 2 clips on the bottom. It's extremely simple to do. I got it from 1aauto.com, and then I took it to a local body shop, got a great price on it. They did an outstanding job on it. They even painted the honeycomb inside the grill. So absolutely everything on this is paint match, and it looks outstanding. Let's go ahead and throw it on. In regards to my emblem, I do have a metal black emblem that I sent off to get re-powder coated. And I should be getting that shortly to basically tie that whole grill together. It's gonna look outstanding. Now, of course, you already know I've got a paintable bumper here in the future coming. I plan on getting that done hopefully soon. I really want to do it because it needs to happen. It just needs to happen. The look I'm going for, chrome side steps gotta go, the chrome bumpers gotta go. So I'm gonna do that, and painting it is honestly the best way you could do it. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned for next week. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as you get these updates. I do have a giveaway coming up on here on Instagram shortly, so don't miss out on that. Have yourselves a great weekend and stay cool.